Hi everyone, the recent security update in Windows 11 is causing Microsoft Outlook to hang or freeze when you try to open it. So let's see how you can restore Outlook's normal performance for the time being. To get started, simply go to your Windows settings. Then go to Windows Update. Now under Pause Updates, click here and pause the updates to 4 weeks. Then go to Update History. Then go to Uninstall Updates. From here, locate the problematic update and click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall, and once it is uninstalled, simply restart your computer. However, if you don't get to see this update here, do this. Simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description and copy this command line from there. Right click on the CMD window to paste it and hit enter to execute it. Once you get this message, simply click on yes to uninstall the update, and this should fix the issue for the time being. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.